If this is your first time coming across my video, thank you. You're welcome. And if this is not your first time, thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. I love you. Thank you so much for the support. And please do well to share this video after watching it because you're going to learn something. Today, I'm going to teach you two common words, and they're like the simplest, and you need to know them as an Ijaw person. The words are I and you. There is no statement you make without saying I or saying you most times. So you need to know these words so that whenever you want to make a sentence, you don't find it difficult in the job. And this is Arogbo. If you don't understand what I'm saying or whatever word I say, it is strange to your ears. That's not how we pronounce it in my place. That's not how we say it. Please do well to drop yours in the comment section, your own dialect. Drop it in the comment section so that I can learn and other people in the comment section can learn other Ijaw dialects because we're more than 250 dialects. So let us learn them together. So the words are I and you. I is you, e. Now let's make sentences with these words. Enereke Funpere, a be your temple. Meaning, I am Funpere. I am a beautiful girl. Very simple, right? Now let's go to the second word, you. You in Arabic we say e. So let's make a sentence with you. That's e. Iyejowe or Iyejarao. You are my friend. Jarao means female friend, Jowe means male friend. So you want to say Iyejowe, Iyejarao. It is very simple and very easy. Now, the word I and you can use them to make any sentence of your choice. Now, let's look at a word, an Ijaw word that is very common and very popular. You can't do without this word. The word is house or home, ware. Now, let's make a sentence with ware using I. Ẹ ware mi, I am at home or I'm in the house. Now, you want to say you with ware. You want to make a sentence with you using house to make the sentence. You say, Iware mi, Iware mi, are you at home? Remember, you is E. So, Iware mi, are you at home? Or you say, Iye mi, are you fine? These words are very simple and very easy. Now let us look at another word again. Feyai. Food. When I want to say I am eating in Ijaw, I will say Efeyai feminine. And I want to use the word you. I say Iyefete. Have you eaten? You see, the words are very simple and very easy. And these words, you use them in any sentence you make, these words are present. So you need to know them. You, e, I, So in your dialect, please drop in the comment section. I know some people say emene, meaning me. So, if you are in that category, please drop in the comment section how you say it in your dialect. I want to learn, and other people can also learn in the comment section. So we are all learning together. You are learning, and I'm learning. Ijaw is diverse. We have different dialects. So when you hear one from a particular clan, don't say this Ijaw is not right or this Ijaw is not the right Ijaw. We are all speaking Ijaw, same language, different pronunciation, different way of how we call the things. So Ijaw is Ijaw. Please do not forget to share this video so that other people can see it and drop their own comments so that we can all learn together. I hope you learned something. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.